Welcome to Always Analog, where we celebrate the beauty of analog technology in the digital world. So today we're going to take a look at a pen, and we're going to look at our old friend, the Bic Cristal. In this case, the Cristal Renew. I picked up a couple of these while I was recently in Paris. These were pretty common to see in almost every little stationery department. I bought one at one store and one at another, and so they were available in blue and black ink, and I thought I would give them a try. They're not you can get them in the United States, but you don't really see them in the stores. At least I haven't. So here's what we've got. It's in a, kind of a cardboard natural box here, and a let's just start at the front with the Bic Cristal Renew metal barrel. Easy to refill. Again, in this case, this is blue ink, medium point, standard Bic, medium 1.0 millimeter. What you get the pen, which I think has a refill in it, ready to go, and then 2 spare refills, so a total of really 3 ink tubes. Refillable, and here, yes, it shows you've got the 2 ink tubes there. Here it say refillable. It's metal. It has a cap which is 96% recycled, and then there's just all kinds of obviously they market these all over the planet. So 1 ball pen plus 2 refills, matte metal barrel, 1.0 millimeter point size for medium line width, pusher in quotes, easy to refill, refillable, 96% recycled plastic cap, blue ink, distributed by Bic UK Limited, with the address. So there it is. I believe, let's see what else this says. Some recycling information here. The bottom, made in Tunisia. Okay, so we will open it up and look. Here are the contents. So here's our pen. And yes, the cap is plastic, but the body, the barrel of the pen, is metal, and it is has some heft to it, I will say. It is hexagonal. It's like your standard Bic plastic barrel pen. It has the Bic man and Bic logo there on the side. I believe this is what they referred to as the push. I'm going to see if you push down on that, it basically pushes the ink barrel out. So it looks like a standard fill on the ink barrel. You put it in, this gets pushed back up, and then here in this little envelope you've got 2 more ink barrels. So And I'm going to assume, I didn't see them in either of the store, that you could keep buying these indefinitely for your Bic Cristal Renew pen. So, very good. I like the weight of it. I really do. And I think it's nice looking. So let me get some paper and we will do a little writing. So we're going to post the cap on the end. Fits nicely. And let's see. Right out of the gate, as Bic Cristals generally do. You know, if you really enjoy using a Bic Cristal, that's your kind of go-to everyday pen, but you like the idea of having something, a more substantial pen to write with, this really is a great option because it feels, it has the weight of, a more expensive or a pen, but yet it delivers the same writing experience that you would get really with just about any other Bic Cristal. So, yeah, it's interesting. I've got here a Bic Cristal Soft, which is a 1.2 millimeter tip, which I like very much. So let's see. I'm assuming that all of these will fit, including a Bic Cristal Bold, which would be a 1.6 millimeter. And so this is the, oh yeah. So there you go. You don't have to go with the 1.0 medium. You can change it up and put in a Bic Cristal Soft. You can put in a Bic Cristal Bold, which I'm doing now, and I assume you could use a fine. Certainly change the ink color. So it's really a Bic Cristal barrel that allows you total flexibility with any of the Bic Cristal family of pens, whether it be a soft or a bold here, or a fine. So depending on the point size that you like. Anyways, this is great. I love it. I will use it all the time. And I am glad that I found these. And to me, this is a wonderful souvenir to have brought back from Paris. So thank you for watching. And please subscribe if you're so inclined. Share and like. All that. And I will look forward to seeing you again soon here on Always Analog.